Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to check your LinkedIn password. So from your desktop, you can check your LinkedIn password if you've saved it to Google. So to do that, in the top right-hand corner, click on the three dots, scroll down to passwords and autofill, then click on Google Password Manager. Then in the search bar at the top, I'm just going to type in LinkedIn, and you can see the password section for LinkedIn has come up. So if I click on there, I will have to enter my Microsoft PIN to see that password. So you can go ahead and do that to see your LinkedIn password. If you haven't saved it there and it doesn't come up, what you can do is go to your LinkedIn login page and you can click on Forget Password and choose a new password. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.